You can see we have our special order pricing invoice up right here, and we want to add a header and a footer to it, and that way every page that we print will have all of those specific items that we want to have in. To do that, it's kind of hidden, so you have to go to the page layout ribbon, and then from there you see where it says page setup. There's a little arrow, a little grayed out arrow on the bottom right hand corner for page setup. Click on that arrow and the page setup dialog box comes up. You can see here you have tabs for page, margins, header, footer, and sheet. We're going to select header and footer, and Excel makes it very easy to add a custom header or footer. It also has a few automated ways of adding it where you can just select page 1 up at the top, and you could do the name of it, special order pricing down at the bottom, or you can remove those and add a custom header. So say in the left section I want to put my name, hit tab and it comes over the center section, and I want to do page, and you click this little button right here and it will give you the page number for every page, page blank or whatever it's going to be, and then you can even type of pages. So say this document was going to be 20 pages long. Now the top of mine would say page 1 of 20 or whatever, however long it's going to extend to. And Excel makes it very easy with these type of automated type buttons. So we'll come over the right section, and on the right section we're going to add today's date. So come over here to insert date, click that button, and obviously if you have these memorized you could just type them in. It's the same thing as clicking on the buttons up here in the top, but this is a nice easy way to do it because a lot of times you aren't going to use a header or a footer when you're using Excel. So hit OK, and now if you look here at the top it'll show you what it'll look like as my name, page 1 of 1, and then has the date. In the bottom we could come down here and do a custom footer. On the left section we could type in name of the company, hit tab, come over the center section, and you could just skip that one and go to the right section, and you could actually even put the file path so that you'll be able to remember it. Select file and path, hit OK, and now you can see it has exactly where that can be found on the computer. So if you're printing this out and you want to be able to reference where it's saved, because that's something that you could definitely forget, that's a good spot to do it. Now just click print preview, and now you can see that that header and footer has been added, and now anytime you print, those ones will print out along with the rest of the text and your data on the spreadsheet.